how can we hear sounds in space? As you may know, sound waves cannot travel in space. This is because space is a vacuum and sound needs a medium, like air or water, to move through. However, there are other types of waves, like radio and plasma waves, that can travel through the vacuum of space. By converting these waves into sounds we can hear, we can experience the eerie and mysterious sounds of the universe. Satellites in space are equipped with special sensors that detect these radio and plasma waves. Once translated into audible sounds, we get to hear the haunting and spooky noises of space. In this video, I'll be sharing some of the most chilling and mysterious sounds from the universe. Which sound did you find the most terrifying? If you want more videos like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.